And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is my favourite Amazon purchase. As you can see, a few little things that is behind me, but I will insert clips as well of what they actually look like if I don't have them standing here. There is a couple of things in the background that is going to be involved in this video as well, but everything that I mentioned throughout this video will be linked in the description box below. So if there's anything throughout this video that you are interested in purchasing yourself, then please feel free to click on the link. Before I get to show you my Amazon favourites, I've done this on my own back. I don't get commission or anything from Amazon whatsoever. I would love to work with Amazon, I really would, as soon as I shop on there literally every single week. I think most of everything in this room is either from Amazon, eBay, IKEA, Shein, you know, everything is basically from them places in this room. But I absolutely love Amazon. I love shopping on there. You can get so many good things on there, and some of them I'm actually showing you today. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I do not get commissions from Amazon. I don't get paid from Amazon. I'm just showing you my favorites that I recently purchased in the last couple of months or so, and I'm absolutely loving, so I cannot wait to show you guys. First Amazon purchase that I'm showing you is actually this beautiful tote bag. Now I've got this in black obviously and in beige. Now I got the beige one for Christmas and I thought, ooh, maybe it might be able to fit in my locker at work, so I bought the black version to go with, obviously, for works, because obviously if I take the beige one to work, it's going to get dirty, it's going to get ruined, and I thought, no, I like to have that one on days out and stuff and shopping trips, so I bought the black one. So this is the dupe of the Marc Jacobs bag, and it is perfect. You can fit so much stuff in, it's so big. See if I can open my bag actually and show you a few things. This is how big it actually is. I've only got a few things in there because it's my work bag, but it is so big and so deep, and it's so beautiful and spacious, and it does actually fit in my locker at work, which is a bonus because my locker at work is quite small. And also from Amazon, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, if not I will pop a picture up on the screen, but I'm going to try and show you. But if you can see the actually insert of the bag here, that little organizer, I will pop a picture up on the screen so you guys can see better. Basically it goes well in these tote bags. Now you can get different colours, so you can have like a beige one in a black bag. I like to keep it all matching. I've got to get one more for obviously the beige one for my beige bag, and then that's perfect. But I bought the black insert to go in here so I can put things in different orders, make sure it's all nice and neatly, because when, I don't know about you guys, but when you're going out, you don't want to be hunting through your bag to find your purse or your keys or whatever. Inserts, you can easily just open your bag and go, oh, there's my keys, or there's my purse. You know, everything's all organised and it's perfect. And I love these tote bags. Again, these are the dupes of the Marc Jacobs. So if you can't afford the actual Marc Jacobs tote bag, then I would highly recommend this tote bag. It is the dupe of it and it's beautiful. Now the next favourite of mine, I'm going to show you anyway because it's going to be confusing. On the actual pot it says Lacura. Now these are obviously, Lacura is the brand from Aldi's of like dupes of things, which I did not get this from Aldi's, I got this from Amazon. I saw this and I thought, oh my god, I thought it looks lovely. And it's the dupe of the Laura Mercier honey one. So if I bring it closer for you guys, it's the dupe of that, and it does actually come with the honey bee stick as well. I left that in the bathroom. But this is the vanilla honey and golden bath nectar, and yeah, it's exactly the same as the Laura Mercier. Obviously it's got the logo brand bit from Aldi's, so obviously even though I purchased it from Amazon, it's actually from Aldi's because that's the Aldi's beauties brand. But this is, if you want a dupe of the Laura Mercier one, I highly recommend this. It does exactly the same thing, basically exactly the same stuff, just cheaper, and I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. and it does smell amazing. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of it. I bought this actually a good few months ago. Oh, it smells so nice. a good few months ago now I bought this, and I've still got loads left. You only literally need 1 or 2 scoopfuls. It depends on how bubbly you want your bath, but yeah, I absolutely love this. And again, it is the dupe of the Laura Mercier. I will leave all the links of everything I was showing you throughout this video in the description box below for you guys. Now, the next Amazon favourites, I have recently been absolutely in love with mask again, so I've got to buy another one of them, and I've also got to buy another one of these. So I've only got a little bit left of these. So these are the Hair Burst hair shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, I did have the hair mask. I will pop a picture up on the screen of what the hair mask looks like. These are insane. They smell incredible, and I'm telling you now, I have never had any shampoo and conditioner that works really well with my hair. It makes it nice and smooth, nice and soft. I've actually had a shower, and look how soft. It needs a brush and everything, but my hair is so soft. It smells incredible. It's so lovely. It's so soft as well, and it does last for a good long while. So these are good for longer and stronger looking hair. It's avocado and coconut flavour Hair Burst conditioner and shampoo. I have actually noticed the difference of these. My hair has gotten longer and thicker, a lot thicker with using these. And also when I'm at work, because I have to wear a hard hat at work because I work in a food factory, the hard hat kind of rips the front of my hair. I don't know whether I'm having it too tight or anything, but it just kind of rips the front of my hair, and it has like a little dip. But since I've been using these, it's grown my hair pretty well. It's made my hair longer and stronger. It's grown everything, and it just feels incredible. So I will be literally continuing purchasing these. Like I said, I've only purchased these and the hair mask. I do want to try and get the hair serum. It's a scalp serum, so I want to give that a go. But yeah, if you want longer and stronger hair, I highly recommend Hair Burst. They smell incredible, and yeah, they literally have helped my hair. I've had these for, I would say, just over a month now, maybe just under a month, but yeah, I'm absolutely loving the Hair Burst shampoo and conditioner. Now, in one of the videos I showed you about the Weight World multivitamins gummies. Now, I absolutely love these. These are the Weight World multivitamin gummies. Now, Nathan is the only one that can take these, because recently I'm still in pain now, but I've just started recovering from sciatica, and multivitamins is not very good for you because it doesn't actually have all the vitamins that you need, but you can actually get the multivitamins gummies. I will leave every single one of these in the description box below, but these are the Weight World multivitamins ones from Amazon. So the ones that I had to purchase separately for myself, because obviously recovering from sciatica, it's the most painful thing ever, by the way, guys. So I had to get individual gummies for my needs, basically. So I had to buy the Weight World vitamin C and zinc gummies. They are incredible. So these are the natural orange flavour, and they have 120 gummies in there. I also got the Weight World magnesium gummies, and these are the natural grape flavour, and they got 90 gummies in there. And also on the back it kind of tells you how many gummies you need to take daily. So obviously these you need to take 2, but I've got the magnesium ones. And then I had to purchase vitamin B12 ones. These are not the Weight World ones, in the description box below, but these are the Neutral Gummies series, in the vitamin B12s, and these are, it don't actually say, oh, mixed berry flavour, there we go. So I've had to get them, and also I've had to get these. So these are the vitamin D3 gummies, and they are in the natural lemon flavour, and you've got 120 gummies, and these are the Weight World ones. So for the people that are suffering from sciatica, or if you've got it, these are the gummies that you need, and they have helped me. Like I said, I'm still recovering from it. It's still a little bit painful, but I can still walk around a bit more, do things a bit more. But yeah, these are the actual gummies that you need for your body, for it to heal and to get everything that your body needs. Now my next Amazon purchase, as you can see in the background, is my perfume stand. Now I will pop a clip on the screen for you guys so you can see a little bit more better, but I bought this from Amazon. Now I did have a little bit of a snag because I wanted the shelf, or a little shelving unit, to match my desk so it looked like all one unit, but I bought it on Amazon and it was actually a bookcase and I didn't read it properly, so I had to sell that. And obviously I saw this one on Amazon and I thought, oh my god, that looks so perfect. Even though it's like acrylic sort of stand, it still looks perfect. And I've had to put, and I can fit all of my perfumes and sprays and everything all on there, and it is so beautiful. Like I said, I will pop a clip on the screen so you guys can see just a little bit more better of what it looks like. But yeah, I will leave the link in the description box below. It holds so many perfumes and it's easy to put together as well. So easy. I just done it in a couple of minutes. It's so easy and I absolutely love it. Next Amazon purchase, if I move over here, you'll be able to see, I can't move that far, but you see these little pots here. So one's for my brushes and one's for my makeup brushes. Again, I will pop a clip on the screen so you guys can see a little bit more better. But I got these from Amazon as well. They're a little bit bigger than I thought, but they are perfect to hold them. So I've got obviously one for my hair brushes and one for my makeup brushes, just to hold everything all into place. I did have my cream little rotation things for my makeup brushes, but it kept going in the way, and all the brushes that I needed were in the back and I couldn't twist it, and oh, it was just a nightmare, absolute nightmare. And then I saw these and I thought, oh, they are absolutely perfect, because all I have to do is just pick the pot, search which brush I need, and then pop the pot back on. There's a bit too many peas in there, but yeah, I absolutely love them. They don't have to be used for makeup brushes or brushes. They can be used for like lip glosses, lipsticks, or everyday little things. But you can put a little couple of skincare bits in there if you wanted to. But yeah, I absolutely love them. Then the next Amazon purchase that I love, again, I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can see the little 3-drawer acrylic here. Again, I will pop a clip on the screen so you guys can see a little bit more better. But I did have these before and then I got rid of them because I didn't think I was going to need them again. But obviously, where I've set up my whole dressing table differently, I've got a new dressing table from IKEA and I wanted it all new, little aesthetic sort of thing. I've got one sitting here and then I'm going to get maybe another 1 or 2, so it's like all connecting, so it looks like all in one. But yeah, I absolutely love these. It's got my lip liners in so far. I need to get another one because I've got loads more lipsticks and lip glosses to put away, but obviously I can't put them away yet because I've got nowhere to put them at the moment. I do have a Shein order coming. It should be soon, or hopefully by the time you guys watch this video, my Shein order would have arrived for all of my acrylics for my drawers, because I need to finish off them. But yeah, I need to get another 2 of them so I can finish off them and then pop the rest of my lipsticks and lip glosses in, and I cannot wait to show you. So it will completely be finished and I absolutely love them. And my last Amazon favourites has to be my skincare organiser. Now, I've seen this all over Instagram, over TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. Loads of people are raving about them, and I thought, you know what, I will buy one and give it a go, see what it's like. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Again, I will pop a clip up on the screen for you guys so you can see what it looks like. It is spacious, it's beautiful. The top lifts up so you can put loads of perfumes. You can even put your perfumes in there actually. It doesn't have to be skincare, you can put perfumes in there as well. I've got all my skincare stuff in there, and you've got 2 drawers as well, which I've popped a few little things in. They are so beautiful. My other half calls it a Buzz Lightyear thing because of obviously the actual lid part. I can actually see where he's coming from, but I absolutely love it and I highly recommend it if you are a skincare lover or a makeup lover like I am, and you want something to store your makeup in or something but still look a bit more stylish and a bit nice, and you don't want a load of acrylics everywhere, then I highly recommend this because it is absolutely perfect and beautiful. So guys, that is going to end today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Like I said, everything that I've mentioned throughout this video will have links in the description box below. So if you've seen anything you are interested in, then please go into the description box and click on the link. Like I said at the beginning, I'm not being sponsored by Amazon whatsoever. I'm not being paid, so I don't get commission or anything. I just like to show you guys of what things I've purchased recently from Amazon that I am loving as well, and I just wanted to show you guys of what it all looks like, and I absolutely love every single one of them. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.